Welcome to Discover Tech, the channel where we explore the latest advancements in agricultural technology and agroengineering. It's amazing how quickly raspberries can be harvested. The full-row Oscar from Jagota gently pulls the bushes into soft shakers, knocks the ripe berries onto a conveyor, and sends them into a bin. It can process up to 1.5 acres per hour with minimal loss and zero damage to crops. Say goodbye to manual tools and heavy labor. The Verrugen automatic harvester cuts, collects, and stacks each lettuce head with precision and care. Designed for efficiency, it only asks one thing: keep the containers ready. Gone are the days of tugging carrots by hand. Fire up the Verrugen, and it'll handle the pulling, cleaning, and stacking before you can even say vitamin A. You're not just helping with the harvest, you're orchestrating it. More than just a trimmer, this machine is an intelligent system on wheels. Integrated through ISOBUS, it works seamlessly with the tractor to control every parameter, cutting length, speed, and height, delivering tailored, high-precision vineyard maintenance. When the hillside looks too daunting for machines, that's when the CH Engineering Grape Harvester truly shines. Watch it glide effortlessly along the slope. No slips, no stress, just perfect balance, clean harvest, and the quiet thrill of precision in motion. The X16 by AM Rousset transforms orchard harvesting into an efficient, continuous flow. With intelligent suction and gentle handling, it collects apples quickly and carefully, ideal for cider production, baking, or export-grade quality. The Simon Liner is a self-propelled two-row carrot harvester engineered for crop protection and performance. Its conveyor system replicates manual handling for gentle, efficient harvesting. Equipped with a 9 cubic meter hopper, precise joystick navigation, and Scania's advanced monitoring system, it delivers both power and precision in the field. You might think almonds are picked by hand, but they're not. Instead, a machine grabs the tree using a moving platform and gives it a strong shake, causing the nuts to fall all at once. It's quick, dusty, and dramatic, but that's how real almond harvesting works. Robot 1 redefines precision agriculture. Integrated with 14 high-resolution cameras, dual GPS systems, and adjustable wheel configurations, it enhances soil health, minimizes erosion, and maximizes crop efficiency, paving the way for truly sustainable farming. Rather than scattering hay randomly, this loader places it with precision, neatly and evenly across the bed, similar to how a typewriter lays down characters. The MH hay distribution system ensures consistent coverage without misalignment or interruption, creating ideal mulch zones with minimal effort. For overgrown rows, Afron's top hedger provides a precise trimming solution. This mounted unit features rotating blades designed to shape and maintain plant edges efficiently, ensuring a well-managed orchard with improved access and visibility. Enhance peat soil conditions with precision using HKA's Rodenburg sprayer. Despite its lightweight design, it delivers high performance, spanning up to 131 feet in width and distributing 500 cubic yards per hour, even across difficult terrain. In a world where precision matters, the Everard Meteor R-Active leads the charge. It balances a compact build with massive reach, booms stretching from 118 to 148 feet. Auto terrain response, active slant, and a 7-inch intelligent command center ensure every drop lands exactly where it should. Spraying just got smarter. The Sleep Slangen from HKI enhances slurry application efficiency with its innovative triple hose configuration. This ensures consistent nutrient coverage, leading to improved soil integrity, optimized moisture conservation, and long-term sustainability in crop production. In today's fast-paced agriculture, every second counts. This quick seeding approach helps farmers plant smarter and harvest more. Verviette's Hydro Trike sets the standard for liquid manure application. With a spacious cab, ergonomic controls, dual Danfoss pumps, and a 5x5 drive system, it ensures accurate nutrient placement, even on uneven terrain, while keeping the operator comfortable and in control. In Germany, sunflower harvesting is a high-speed operation. The 16-row Olac Drago Gold, combined with the Class Lexion, cuts, threshes, and processes up to 18 tons of sunflowers per hour, delivering maximum efficiency with minimal downtime. Take a closer look. That platform opens like a giant, gentle hand, ready to catch everything the tree offers. With its precise design, not a single nut is lost. The result? A cleaner, faster harvest with hardly any waste. Forget nets and sirens. Bellinger Estates and Warriors Rest now rely on AVIX laser tech to keep birds away, cutting crop losses, saving time, and bringing peace of mind to every harvest. When pistachio harvest starts, the most exciting part is when the tree is shaken. The nuts fall like golden rain. The machine does this gently and precisely, without harming the tree or losing a single nut. The tube line delivers high-performance bale wrapping on the move. It picks up, wraps, and drops each bale with seamless precision, even as the tractor keeps moving. The AVIX autonomous laserbird repeller is transforming apple farming in South Korea. Combining modern design with smart technology, it safely keeps birds away without relying on nets or noise-based deterrents, protecting crops more effectively. The Deep Field robot from Bosch brings precision agriculture to a new level. Powered by AI, cameras, and advanced algorithms, it accurately distinguishes crops from weeds and takes targeted action without chemicals. Unlike traditional bulky machines, Krishna Netrang's compact and mobile unit features a high-speed rotating disc with precision blades. It quickly cuts banana trunks and grinds them into chips on site, offering efficient, on-the-spot processing. Lakeland's SG400 and SG500 fencing systems give sheep and goats the freedom to roam safely. Their smart design keeps animals secure while making herd management easier and more efficient.